Hi, welcome to Paras. Let me show you the demo of Paras 2800 model. This is one of the best model. This is the machine. We have spare parts free with this. This is all the rubber parts which can be used later. These are some dragging rubbers. These are rollers, motor wire, the power cut fuse, the brush, the user manual, the screwdriver. Let me on the machine. This is a 3-plug cable. We just simply have to put in the power supply on the machine. We have the power button here, just on the machine from here. This is for the external display. The model is called as Paras 2800. Let me show you how it works. These are some notes. Let me show you how it works. When the machine starts, it automatically starts on UV, MG, IR and auto. Let me show you how it works. We just simply put the notes like this and the machine starts. It says the count is 100. Even the external display shows the same thing. We have the feature of catching the fake notes also on this. Let me show you one fake note. This is a 1000 rupees fake note. Let me put the same in the bundle. I am putting the same 100 notes along with one fake note. The minute it catches the fake note, it will stop the machine and it will beep and it will show that there is something bad. The MG function is also bleeping and it is saying that the MG strip of this note is not correct. You can see here. This is the fake note. You can see the strip glowing too much. Once we put now it says the count was 100 earlier. The earlier count was 100. Now the count is 101. We also have the size function in this. When the size of the note is bigger than the actual note, than the first note, it will still detect. I am switching off the MG function. The size of the note is, the 1000 rupee note is bigger than the 10 rupee note. It will still detect. It has detected and it says, it stopped on this note and it says D. D means the size is different, not because the note is fake, the size is different. Once we just put this note little up, it will again count the balance note and it will say the total count is 101. We also have the feature called as the earlier notes, which is not going to be used after the notes prior to 2005. These notes are prior to 2005 and these notes will also be detected by the machine. Let me show you how it works. I am putting the note here. I arrange the notes. I am putting it here. Let me start the MG function for this. The minute it catches the note prior to 2005, it will beep and it will show that this note is prior to 2005. You can see there is no date here. So this will catch the prior notes also. We also have UV function, MG function add function. In add function you can add the notes. If suppose you have bundles of note, now suppose if I have to add the notes, I'm putting this note, I'm starting the add function here. The add function will be shown here on the screen. You can see it. I'm adding the notes. Now how do I add the notes? If I put the notes here, it shows 24. Now I'm putting some more notes. It says 48. It says 65. I put all the notes. Now it's saying 100. If I have to remove from these 100 notes 50 notes only, I just have to press the batch button here. It says 100. Now if I press the batch button again one more time, it shows 50. If you want 55, you can just press add button here and make it 55. I'm putting the notes here. Once it counts 55, it will stop the machine and it will say that the 55 notes are come. You can pick up these 55 notes. The balance it will show you. The balance, if it is less than 55, it will show you that the total pieces were 100 and you have still not got the 55. So you can put some more here. Once it is 55, it will show the total count is 110 and you have 55 notes in your hand. I hope you have understood the machine and liked the machine. Thank you for seeing the demo. This is the outer box of the machine. Thank you for seeing the machine.